all the gear, all the time. At GAT. What does that mean to you? Alright, so at GAT, all the gear, all the time. They teach that in the rider safety course, the MSF course, which I suggest everybody to do. Even if you're ridden for your whole life, there's a lot of good stuff to find out about that. They even have advanced courses, which are awesome. So at GAT, all the gear all the time. What does that mean? Well, to me, I got myself some nice jeans. I got a jacket right here that breathes really good. It's 95 degrees outside right now, but I'm still wearing my gloves, my jacket, my full face boots. I guess the only thing I'm not wearing is just rider jeans or chaps or anything, but anyways, what that means to me is dress for the ride. I mean, dress for the slide and not the ride. So what that means is it's going to be hot outside. I know it is. In Texas, it's humid. Wear something that's appropriate for if you fall down. And if you need something, buy it. Now, this jacket I have here, I got it on a killer deal. It is a synthetic jacket. It's got this cool liner inside of it. It's got armor in the elbows, armor in the shoulders, and armor in the back. I got it on sale at my dealership. They had a closeout deal on it, and it was like half off. So it's like a $500 jacket. And I got it for half off. I could not pass it up. And this jacket is already gone. This is my second riding season with it on. For those that do have riding seasons, but second summer, I guess you could say. And it's got this liner in here that it keeps you cool. So when you're going above about 10 miles an hour, you really do feel the wind, and it goes through you. It breathes right, and it keeps you cool. So it's actually not like a big heavy leather jacket. It is heavy, but it doesn't feel like it when you're wearing it actually on the bike and you're riding. Number two is a helmet. Now, I highly suggest wearing a helmet. Some places you're required to wear it regardless, like, you know, California example. Here in Texas, you're not required to have a helmet. The way I look at it is, at least for me, if I take a spill, I want to survive the best I can, because I got a wife and son and dog to come home to every night. And so if anything were to happen, you know, I want the best chances. So I'm wearing a full face helmet. It's actually a modular helmet. It's DOT and ECE rated, which DOT is like the least amount of rating you could get is no rating on your helmet, which is not legal to ride. Say if you're required to have a helmet, it's not legal to actually ride with the non-DOT helmet. ECE is just a higher rating. They also have another one, I think it's a snow rating. I'll look into, but you know, this helmet wasn't crazy expensive. It was about 220 bucks, but it gets the job done. I also have these gloves on here. They're synthetic gloves, and they got padding in the fingers and stuff in the knuckles that are right there and the palm. So if you do take a spill, you're not, you know, you're not taking skin off. So yeah, have different riding gloves for different seasons, obviously. This one is synthetic because they breathe. It's hot as balls right now. So I want to be able to breathe while being safe. I don't want to have heat stroke on a, you know, motorcycle. God forbid you have heat stroke on a motorcycle. That's bad. You also want to have some boots on. I always have a few different pairs I choose from, but all the ones that I ride with are steel toe boots, and just because I use them for work, and they're real durable. So I always wear boots. I don't wear tennis shoes. Tennis shoes will flop right off of you once you get to hit something. Boots, if they're tied on right and everything, you'll have a better chance of them staying on. Other optional stuff will be, you know, jeans. I'm wearing regular jeans. I haven't bought riding jeans just because I've looked at some of the videos, and maybe I'm wrong, but your riding jeans will pretty much come apart within the first second or two of it sliding. So if you're going anything more than 15 miles an hour, your jeans will get ripped and torn up, right? And you get these expensive riding jeans. They're about $100 a pair that I've seen, and if you see Fortnite videos, give you an extra few seconds of relief, but if you're going faster than 30 miles an hour, it's kind of a moot point. They're not, you know, they don't have any shielding like my jacket has. So I always like to dress for the slide and not the ride. Now, would I want to have just t-shirt and a hat? Hell yeah. And I'll be honest with you, if I'm just going right down the street, not even a mile away to the store, I'll put, you know, a hat on and a t-shirt, not put the jacket on. But other than that, I'm wearing my gear. I'm getting around these guys here. So at all the gear all the time. That's just my suggestion. Always wear what you need to protect yourself for a fall, because you never know when it's going to happen. You can be the most careful rider in the world, and car jump right in front of you. You can't even control the situation, and it happens. So dress for the ride and not the slide. Peace out, y'all.